So what are you doing now then?
Just got that one. Just done that one.
Yeah, panel there.
Yeah, that one's going to go back on there.
Yeah. No, I get that, yeah. It's
Just
best.
need to punch the holes through.
Yeah.
This one. I'll smash it first. So that one's going on there. So it's going to go onto there on the bus.
What are you using there then? What's this stuff?
It's just trim fix adhesive.
Yeah.
And it's high temperature resistance at 210 degrees, so when your van gets really warm in summer,
Yeah.
it don't be lamp, start falling off and have baggy carpet.
Yeah.
Oh, so the same anyway. Here's the cup, it's contact adhesive, so you do this side on the side of the other panel, let it dry, let it go tacky, let it touch dry.
So you sprayed the felt. Carpet.
Well, I sprayed the carpet for
Now you're spraying the actual.
Spraying the panel. Contact adhesive. So
Okay.
it's coming out, but I might just get it with.
So basically you need both of them to have the glue on to make them stick.
Yeah, it's contact adhesive, yeah. So
Just cover all the other areas.
well, there is that, mate. There is that.
Temperatures do change from
Yeah, we do, mate. We do. Well said.
Yep.
So, pull that out. Drop it on. Over.
Give it a pat down.
Let it smooth out.
Yep. Flip it back round.
The black cover. Some of this. Research done. Sticking glue. More than enough. More than enough. She's nearly done. She's nearly done. Now is get the scissors. Start pulling her over, pushing her down. Where the corners are. Keep pushing it in tight.
Make sure all the gaps are tight.
So it follows.
Part of the actual.
Yeah. Don't worry about the creases on the back too much to start with. Just get it going around them corners. Pull it in, pull it in, pull it in. Get it going. Get it going. Pull it in, pull it in, pull it in, pull it in tight.
Most of these after you can trim it down.
Well, I'll show you what to do in a minute. Yeah. Best way I've found anyway. Keep pulling that in. You're not bothered about the creases. You just want a nice. You want it to follow the shape. Yeah. So get that all down to the last corner. So then pull it in. Pull it in. So because this is the side you're going to see. Do you know what I mean? When that's on.
Yep.
You're going to see that. You're not going to see that side. But what you can do now is flatten them down, and then what I do is knit these together here, and then trim the excess off. Knit it down. Trim it off.
So these go back on the
And then if you rub them down. Not in your way so much then, they're flattened down,
yeah,
do you know what I mean?
So there's the one that we've cut, there's the one that Rich has cut, and there's the one that I've been cut. Put that now. a little contact to each other. Flatten them down. Nice and flush in it.
Push them in, you know what I mean? Flatten them down. Yeah. A lot better. So don't be bothered about the creases on the back, because you're not going to see them, and you can get rid of them. Pull that back up anyway. And this curvature here, follow that curve round actually. And just cut that out and push that down.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, no, I get it.
A little bit high. Swatch your fingers. And push them in, push them down. Nice one. Still a bit high. Chop everything off. Put the scissors in.
So there's the front.
So that's it.
And also look at the back then, please do on. So there's all your corners nice and flat down. Obviously it doesn't matter too much if there's a little bit of a lump, but as long as it's not a massive lump like there was.
Yeah, get away with them. Tidy.
Yeah.
And then when that's on there,
She's a good one. It's a good one.
beautiful.
It's good one.
Gonna find the holes, punch them through, and I'm gonna put some of them proper grommets back in, because this was just fastened on with a couple of soft tappers.
Yeah.
Chuff knows why they didn't use them, because the holes are there, you know what I mean? It just looks a better job.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Spot on. In that, isn't it? Getting there.
She's getting there as well.
Yeah, I'm getting there. So just finished carpeting these. This is the last one to go. Tightening the tool. Just show you how I do it. So when you cut these, if you don't go right to the edge, like that, and you come to press it back, it laps over. It's a better finish. If you cut it right to the end, then you see inside there. So leave it a good, I don't know, what's that? Good 10 mil. Leave it a good 10 mil away. So then you just press it in. You'll not see the board underneath. The carpet will wrap around it. But that's what I found anyway. So little tip.
Want to comment down below?
If you like the panels, if you don't like the panels, if you want some panels, I've got an idea for your own panels. So it's looking good. So that's going to be the underside of the bed. As you can see, there's 8 panels in total. We're going to put some LED lights underneath in the framework. So that'll be underneath the bed at the top. So even when it's not up or down, you can flick a switch and all this will illuminate. So a road trip this morning, it's been a bit frosty. As you can see behind, we've got the bed in place. I ain't got it wired up yet, but today we'll have it wired up, so tonight I can see the effect of it, see if it's bright enough. Whether I have to change the LEDs or not, I don't know. But we're off to get the programs that I did on CAD for the furniture machined up. So 12mm bamboo. I'll show you when I get there. See you in a bit.